Hey, I'm John from Metro by T-Mobile, and today I'm in one of our stores because I'm answering your DMs. This one's from Carlos in Riverside. I need a new phone, but can't afford anything fancy, just something that works well. What do you got? Let's talk about the new Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. And it's actually pretty fancy, but the price, not fancy at all. Because when you switch to Metro, it's free. Let's open it up. Before we even get into the phone, here's what you need to know. At Metro, you get one line of unlimited 5G for just $40, period. And no activation fees, and no contracts, and no credit checks. And Metro rides on T-Mobile's network, which is America's best network. Now let's talk about the phone itself. This is a phone that just makes sense for how people actually use their phones. You get a triple lens camera, and a selfie camera, of course, so your photos come out sharp and clear. That's cute. We'll keep that one. You get a large 6.7-inch display that's perfect for streaming, scrolling, or video chatting. And the battery is built to last all day, so you're not constantly thinking about charging. It also comes with Google Gemini, an AI assistant, and this is something you can actually use every day. Let's try it out. I've got 20 minutes to work out. What should I do?
20 minutes is the Goldilocks zone for a workout. Long enough to get your heart rate up and see real benefits, but short enough that you can't.
Or going in a totally different direction. Never mind. Give me a simple carrot cake recipe.
Aha, I love the pivot. From burning calories to consuming them in the most delicious way possible. Honestly, 20 minutes of exercise is great, but 20 minutes of
we should find some balance. Find me a gym that's near a bakery that's known for really good carrot cake.
If you're looking for the perfect balance of a solid workout followed by a treat, these spots in Bellevue offer great gym options within walking distance of bakeries known for their carrot cake near downtown Bellevue.
Cool. So Carlos, here's what it comes down to. You're getting a solid phone with the features you actually use on America's best network, with unlimited 5G for just $40 a month, period. And no activation fees, and no contracts, and no credit checks, and the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is free when you switch. That's not fancy, that's smart. So Carlos, and honestly anyone watching, if you want a phone that works hard without your wallet working overtime, head to Metro, or go online and make the switch. We'll take care of the rest.